Good morning, children. I am Mumtaz, working as a English and life skill trainer at APSWR School, Brahmasamudram. Today we are going to discuss about one interesting topic. Are you ready to listen the topic? Yes. First, I would like to ask a few questions. First one, what you eat the breakfast today? Children, come on, tell me the answer. Oh, chapati, good. Second question, what you ate yesterday, children? Chicken, very nice. So, today our topic is healthy living. So, what is healthy living? Physically, mental, and spiritual capacity to make healthy. Children, we have some energy to work. That energy it will come to eat good food. We need to live and grow. It gives us energy to work and play. We get food from plants and animals. Children, do you know the plants and animals? Yes, okay. We get vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, cereals, pulses from plants. We get eggs, milk, and meat from animals. We eat different types of food in our daily life. Food gives us energy to do work. We should eat nutritious food in right quantity to keep us healthy. Nutritious food means bread, jam, milk, fish, mutton, like that. Children, we listen carefully. We can divide the food we eat into 3 groups. They are first one, energy giving foods, second one, body building foods, third one, protective food. First one, energy giving food. Foods like rice, wheat, maize, etc. give us energy to work and play. Second one, body building foods. Body building foods like milk, eggs, meat, etc. help us to grow. They make our bones and muscles strong and build our body strong. Third one, protective food. Protective foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts keep us healthy and protect us from falling ill. Apart from these foods, we must drink plenty of clean water to remain healthy. It helps us for proper digestion of food. Children, we should eat our breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, and dinner at the right time. We should give proper gap between meals, breakfast, and snacks. It helps us to digest the food. Have you observed any of your friends eating non-stop? No. It causes and leads to ill health. So, take a proper time breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. So eat a variety of food materials in right quantity, children. Eat well cooked food. Do not eat uncovered food, so it causes to ill health, illness also. So wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your mouth after eating. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Eat and drink from clean plates and glasses. Have food in clean place. So children, eat only fresh food. Do not eat junk food or roadside food. Do not waste your food. Eat meals right at regular intervals and in time. Do not speak or make noise while chewing the food. So children, what is the healthiest lifestyle? First one, don't smoke. Second one, be physically active every day. Third one, eat a healthy diet rich in whole grains, protein, vegetables and fruits. Healthy living benefits. So now we discuss about the healthy living benefits. A healthy lifestyle has both the short and long term health benefits. Long term, eating a balanced diet, taking regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight. So children, another point we discuss now, healthy habits. First point, you eat better food. Second point, do regular exercises. Third point, positive thinking. Fourth point, feel good. So, children, now the assignment time. So, first one. So, do you understand my topic? Children, I will tell another time. First point, we need food to live and grow. Second point, food gives energy to work and play. Third point, we get food from plants and animals. Fourth point, we should eat our breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner at the right time. So fourth point, we should not eat uncovered roadside food. Fifth point, we should eat meals at regular intervals. Fifth point, eat fresh food. Next, always eat in a clean plate and a clean place. After washing hands and plate, do not waste your food. Next point, chew your food well. Drink more water. So these are all points we discussed today. So children, do you understand this topic? Very good. Next, we will go to assignment. So children, discuss about the assignment. Now I give 4 Romans. Very simple and easy. First Roman, write the missing words. So first one, He-thy. That means healthy. Second one, banana. BA-NA. Banana. Third one, CA-OT. Carrot. Fourth one, WA-or water. Fifth one, RI-rice. Okay. Second Roman. Fill in the puzzle only. So, next, third Roman, answer the following questions. First one, what is healthy living? Second question, how do we get energy? So, these are all assignment questions. Children, do you understood all the points and do your assignment properly? Okay, very nice. Bye.